Good morning, traders. So here's my recap for the day. I was long biased on MU because it's been on run for a while for the last few days, but I saw that at market open it sold off below VWAP for the first 10 minutes, but it never closed below these two levels. This is the daily level and this is the pre-market low, and then it squeezed up with a huge bullish candlestick. I went long with the stop loss below VWAP. I took some partial out, I took some partial out again, and then I got stopped out at break even. This was a hard stop triggered. Then I saw that this candlestick never even touched the VWAP and it was bought back up. So I went long again, huge size. I took some profit out and then I got completely out at the 44 whole dollar level because it's been acting as a major resistance for the last few days. My other trade was on SQ and this was a bad trade. I have major fear of missing out on this trade. So I was long biased on MU because William called this out in the pre-market hours, and I saw the daily chart. It was very tempting. It's a bullish chart, and we had this 82.81 level that I was hoping to get to on SQ, but I messed up. So for the first, I took it long when I saw this candlestick. It's holding the VWAP, so I took it long. I took some profit out, 10%, 10% again. Then I got stopped out at break even. And then as you can see it squeezed up. So this trade had the potential to be a 10 to 1 trade, but I messed up. So it was a green trade, but I messed up. It could have easily been a 10 to 1 trade. So what I take away from this trade is that I have a rule to not to trade in the first 3 minutes. I broke that rule and I paid for it. It was still a green trade, but it could have been way better. So if I would have taken this long here or maybe here, then it had the potential to be a 10 to 1 or maybe 15 to 1 trade. So this was my recap for the day. Overall, I am ending my first live trading week green on a very good note. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and have a good weekend, guys. See ya.